Happy New Year, everybody. I am starting my day with a star anise tea. I made a batch of it the other day. All it is a pot of water, a tea bag, some star anise and some cinnamon. That's literally all it is. I am having some unsweetened vanilla almond milk with that. I've got 50 mils, which is 0 smart points. So that is my start to 2021. This is my amazingly presented lunch today for 4 smart points. I'm only joking, my presentation does not get any better with time. I have got some squash for 0 smart points. I've got some mushrooms and I've fried those in a little bit of water, so they are 0 smart points. I've got some Heck chicken sausages. I've cooked them and weighed them. They were 126 grams, which is 4 smart points. And then lovingly dabbed on the top, I have got some ketchup. It's the Heinz, no added salt and sugar. I've got 25 grams, which is 0 points. So that is my lunch for 4 points. These are my afternoon snacks for 7 smart points. I've got some squash for 0 points. I've got some stewed plums and I'm serving that in the Tupperware because it's the last of them. I'll put the link to the video on how to make those in the description. They are 0 smart points. I've got an Aldi vanilla protein pot for a change. That is 3 smart points. And I've got an oat milk latte. I've got 230 mils of oat milk, which is 4 smart points. So they're my afternoon snacks for 7 points. This is my tea tonight for 20 smart points. I've got an Indian takeaway. I've been looking forward to this all day. I've got a load of salad for 0 smart points. I've got some chicken tikka, that is 7 smart points. And I've got a vegetable curry there, which is 13 smart points. So that's my tea for 20 points. These are my evening snacks for 9 smart points. I've got a banana for 0 points. I've got a pack of the Seabrooks cream cheese and chive crisps. They are 4 smart points. I've got one of the Slimming World Hi-Fi bars. I got that from Iceland. It's 3 smart points for that. I've got a cup of tea and I've got 35 mils of Arla Best of Both milk in there, which is 0 smart points. And I'm having another one of the Aldi protein pots. 1 pot is 3 points, 2 pots is 5 points, so that's 2 points for that. So they are my snacks for 9 and I'm ending the day on 40 of 30 smart points.